Show you how to factory reset the Sony earbuds model WF-1000XM5, and I'm going to show you how to factory reset this without using the Sony app. First thing is put the buds in a case and then close the lid. Make sure the light is off now. If you look back here, you have a button here, so I'm going to open this lid and then I'm going to press and hold this button. Ready, go. Press and hold and keep holding for about 20 seconds. We want to wait till we start seeing orange flashing light. Okay, so I'm still holding onto the button here. It's blue right now. Just wait. It's going to turn orange. I'm still holding the button in the back. Just wait. Still holding. Now it's orange. Now I can let go. Okay, now wait till it's done blinking. Now just close. And there you go. You just factory reset it. Now if I wanted to connect back to a device where I was paired to, I would have to delete it or unpair it or remove it from my Bluetooth pairing list. Okay, so for example, I did connect to this iPhone before, so let me go to Bluetooth here and let me find it. It's right here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the I. I'm going to click on forget this device. If you're on an Android phone, it'd be like unpair. On a TV, it would be like remove or delete. So I just removed that. Okay, so now when I go ahead and take these out, it should automatically be in the pairing mode and it should pop up right down there. I can connect right back to it. And you can see I'm now connected back to my iPhone. Pretty simple.